Hello there and welcome back, Commanders and Commanderettes. Justy Fuller here with an update video on the Screamer base. This way you can do it fairly easy, no missiles, and free repair, and only have to use one unit, which is the Chopper Company. Just slowly work your way around the base. Now I could do this a lot quicker, but I'm opening this base for somebody else, so I'm going to completely clear the base. You don't have to completely clear the base. You just have to get to the Screamer and kill the Screamer. I'm clearing the base so that somebody can bring in some high altitude and just take out the Screamer. Keep in mind you do have these sharpshooters hiding around the base in certain areas. There's another sharpshooter over here. Heading out on the edge there. It's actually hard not to kill the Screamer because I'm trying to open these up. I've actually accidentally killed the Screamer a couple of times. You got to be careful. You got to stay on the outside outskirts if you don't, if you're not going for this Screamer itself. If you're just opening this base for somebody else, it's actually kind of hard. The Chopper Company wants to go right for the Screamer. See, instead of shooting that Hunter, he wants to shoot the Screamer. If I had gotten that heavy flak there, I'd have been good to go in one attack, but I got to go back in and clear the heavy flak out. Got me a little bit, but free repair. You'll notice the Screamer is almost dead. So now my friend can just go in and use some high altitude and take out the Screamer. In the meantime, I'll find another Screamer base and open another one for him. Hope this was helpful.